Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm a designer at Queensberry. We've now made it even easier for uploading in Workspace. You can now have the option to create an event using your Dropbox account. So once you've logged in, go to Images and create new event. So here I'm just going to put Dropbox test, create event. Perfect. And here we want to click here to import from Dropbox. So this page will come up here, which you'll need to put in your Dropbox login details. And we'll sign in. Great, and here are my Dropbox folders. You can either select an entire folder to upload, or if you open up the folder, you can select individual files, like that. And to go back, the path is above, so we would go back to Dropbox Home. Cool. And I'm going to select this entire folder and click Import Selected at the bottom here. So the process is still the same as uploading an image. Workspace creates a set of proxy sizes, so the original file will never be displayed. This is what's happening now. Great, here are my images. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.